There is a news at 8:15, so we'll wait for the reaction and let's do the analysis. GBP daily, almost doji, 4 hour, gave a W pattern breakout over here, and it is in a bearish order block over here, but the closest one is that it is bullish. 1 hour, it is in 1 hour order block. That's a good thing. But the current candle is very strong. That's one thing I'm worried about because there is very small wick. It can be a very strong candle, but we will wait for the pullback for the upside. Only then we will trade. In 15 minutes, looking bearish because you can see the candle strength. These two candle almost taken out by a single candle pullback, and the next candle was very strong. Current candle is also made a inverted hammer. The next candle is also making an inverted hammer. It's looking bearish in smaller time frame, but I'll wait for the reversal to carry on the overall trend. Still, let's check again hourly chart. Looking very bearish. It might in 30 minutes. The 30-minute candle is very strong. So strongly breakdown, pullback, breakdown, then sideways, breakdown. There's almost like a inverted pole and flag breakdown, then sideways to bullish. So from today, the trend is bullish so far, and that's what we want. If it is a reversal market, then we won't trade. Simple as that. 15-minute. Yeah, so we want a breakout structure over here. We are bullish breakout structure plus 1 minute order block. This is also good. 3 minute breakout structure is also fine. So 3 minute breakout structure, and we can enter in GBP. Yeah, that's good. Euro is bearish. Still, it has a wick both the sides. Already gave a breakdown of the swing yesterday, and you can see it tested the daily order block. Okay, so the target in technically it is for these lows and this swing over here in daily. So it is bearish in daily. Not looking great. So far, no breakout structure higher highs has been formed yet because pullback, breakdown, pullback, breakdown. This pullback didn't cross above this swing. Still, this is still a pullback and it can continue for the downside. So it is bearish. I would prefer to trade Euro for the downside rather than GBP for the upside. But if I will get a trade in GBP, I will go 2/3 quantity and Euro sideways for quite some time. Then this candle is giving a breakdown. We just need a pullback to trade. Half an hour order block over here. Already in 15-minute order block. Still there is 7 minute. I would prefer to. The problem is GBP and Euro should move in synchrony. So selling one and buying one is. I prefer to sell this one rather than buying JPY. So you can see this is bearish. I might not trade GBP. I will only trade Euro breakdown. Then so far sideways in this range. Here a smaller range breakdown. So yeah, it is bearish. Chart is lagging. Okay, so 30-minute order block over here. We might not even get a pullback. 15-minute order block already retested. 5-minute. 5-minute order block also got retested. So you can see the actually New York session would have been a great time to trade. If there was no news, then I might have made money over here. But fine, we will wait for the retracement. If the news hits and there it gives a spike, that's something we can trade. Otherwise, you can see it is picture perfect. Order blocks tested, 30 minutes order blocks already tested, 50-minute order block created here, and that also got retested in New York session open. 5-minute order block was over here, that also got retested, and you can see a EC entry over here. This was a picture perfect entry over here. Because of news, I'm waiting for the news to hit. If there is no reaction in news, then we just wasted our time. But that is a red folder news, so let's see what happens. This is a perfect trade. If there was no news, I would have definitely taken this one. But fine. So now the plan will be, I need a pullback. 3-minute pullback. Okay, so we have a FEG. Euro, we are bearish. I will not trade GBP. Euro might not even give a pullback. That's the problem. But fine. We might have missed an opportunity, but let's see. I hope we get some reaction of the news, and in that pullback we can get some trades. So 3-minute FEG and 1 minute breakout structure. That would be fine. This FEG over here, that's what we are gonna trade. The strength of this candle is very good, so it is very bearish. This is looking very good, and I would not like to trade against the trend, so I would not trade GBP. Yeah, as you can see, JPY is bullish, so you can see. Okay, 4 hour there are a lot of wicks, which is not a good sign. It gave a breakout structure over here, retest, a very deep retest, almost till this order block. Current candle is not looking very good because it is making inverted hammer so far, and we have a FEG over here which we can trade, but there is still time. Yeah, so 15-minute breakout structure is also fine. That's when the news will hit, so that's what we are gonna trade. 15-minute order block. Once it gives a breakout, and in 5 minute we can also wait for. Let's see what happens. If it gives a retest to the 15-minute order block, that's even better. Otherwise, this breakout, we can also trade this breakout. That's the plan. JPY, we are bullish. 15 or 5 breakout structure and 1 minute breakout structure. Already this is a red candle, so it has technically made a breakout structure, but it is not a valid one. We need a good pullback. Closing of 5 minute. And then gold, bullish. 4 hour. It closed above this swing and not looking like it's gonna reverse. It can come to this level and then it might reverse. That's a different case. 1 hour. In today, gold has moved how much? Almost 1%. So there is uh, what we say, volatility in the market in gold, like always. So there is always opportunity in gold. Okay, so in 1 hour there is a FEG over here. That's the problem. I will have to wait for 8:30 for it to hit. Let's see if there is something else we can trade in 15 minutes maybe. Yeah, perfect. This is something I would like to trade. 15-minute order block. It might not come, but that's fine. I'll wait till 8:30. If it gives a retracement at 8:30, that would be even better. So gold, we are bullish, and we need a 15-minute order block. What about 5 minute? Okay, so 5 minute order block already got retested. Over here, I need a retracement till here. 15-minute order block and 1 minute breakout structure, and we can enter. Okay. Damn. I saw the market around 8 o'clock. It was very bearish, but you can see now the that is bullish, giving a daily breakout for the upside. Around 8, it was somewhere around here, looking like giving a daily breakdown, but now you can see it's making a W pattern for the upside. So maybe we might have missed a good trend, not trading at a time. Let's see how the news reacts. Chart is lagging. Okay. Four-hour. This was a strong breakdown, but there is still 3 hours. Very likely it will give a good breakout for the upside. So it is bullish. 1 hour. Okay, so it is in a 1 hour order block, but we need a strong 5 or 15-minute breakout structure to confirm that yeah, it can reverse for the downside. Otherwise, it is looking bullish. 15-minute great breakout. I mark this at 8 that I can trade for the downside in this zone, but we are waiting for the news. Still 15 seconds for the news. So straight momentum, 15-minute order block over here. I need a 5-minute breakout structure or retest or something. I need a good pullback. I can't trade. So I'll wait for a 5-minute breakout structure in NQ. Bullish. NQ 5-minute breakout structure for the upside and 1-minute breakout structure. So that's the plan. And we won't trade GBP. So it was a good day. I wasn't sure this will happen, but one single spike gave us a very good profit over here. So I had two quantities, two more than two-third over one quantity and less than one-third over another quantity. So I booked one around here in the spike and left the other half somewhere around here that got stopped out. So you can see the PNL. Okay, we are still not up 2%. It can still continue for the higher side, but fine. I can still take a trade in gold. But the chart is gold has fell. The chart is lagging. I don't know. So we are done. Let's see the history. So what we did, you can see. Okay, so in gold we lost $10 extra. Why? Because as I entered, there was a spike for the downside. So I had to manually exit, and that's why we lost $40. And then we made 110 in two-third quantity, more than two-third quantity of NQ, and then another in 15. So we made 1:4 in NQ, and we got stopped out in JPY 123. We almost lost $30. So all in all, two full quantity loss and one 1:4. So we made roughly today. How much did we make? So today we made 1%, and that's a good return. So we are again, we just need to make 4%, and just like this, if we keep going, then it is not long for us to get a payout. And thank you for watching. See you on Monday. Bye.